Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to set seat memory on a Cadillac CTS. Begin with the car off, sit in the driver's seat, and adjust the seat to your preferred position using power controls, including lumbar and cushion settings. Press and hold SET, then press 1 or 2 until you hear a beep. Test memory by moving the seat and pressing the stored number to return. Repeat for both drivers. Start the car or switch to accessory mode so electronics are active and responsive. Use the seat controls to fine-tune height, tilt, lumbar, and backrest until the position is comfortable. Adjust mirrors and steering wheel if tied to memory. Once set, press SET and then press and hold 1 or 2 until you hear confirmation. Verify the memory by moving the seat and selecting the saved number to return to the position. Common issues include dead key fob battery, blown fuses, or software glitches that prevent memory recall. Check the owner's manual for fuse locations and replace any blown fuses related to memory or seat motors. Try resetting the vehicle by powering off for a few minutes or disconnecting the negative battery terminal briefly if safe. If problems persist, visit a dealer or qualified technician to diagnose electrical.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.